What's up, guys? It's Pandora the Cryptobabe, Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today on Thankful Thursday? Good morning. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Alright guys, if you haven't checked out my crypto projects, the link is in the description. Do yourself a favor, go check them out. www.coffeeandcoins.info. See what I got going on. Alright, we're back. We're going to do an update for BrunoEx. On Thursday is when you can make your withdrawals. So today is a day for anybody that's in the program or the platform. Don't forget to make your withdrawal today if you want it for tomorrow on Friday. Okay, so BrunoEx, swift and endless crypto exchange. They offer over 600,000 exchange pairs to choose from. Non-custodial exchange. You can buy and sell crypto through credit cards or debit cards. Okay, that's a service that they offer, right? They've been around since October 2022. 30,000 successful swaps, 2,500 active members, 600,000 exchange pairs. Fast cryptocurrency exchange, 99.5% success rate, 5 minutes average exchange time, no additional fees, track your transaction status live. I've actually used this service 2 or 3 times, okay, personally. All right, so it definitely does work. You know, if you're in the crypto space, you have used this type of service from other programs before, other websites, right? But BrunoEx offers this as well. All you're going to do, step 1, is choose your exchange pair. Before we even get to that, you don't even have to KYC. That's the big thing. No KYC is required. You don't even have to set up an account. Just go to the link in the description, www.coffeeandcoins.info. All right? And just choose your exchange pair. Pick one of the 600,000 supported currency pairs from the list. Step 2, make your deposit, confirm your details, and send your selected crypto assets to the displayed address. Where do you want them to send it? Step 3, obtain your swapped crypto. Get exchange crypto with the best available rates. Now, they're only in certain geographical areas, so you need to make sure you can go to the site, www.coffeeandcoins.info. Make sure they're in your area. They even have a video to show you how to do this. Exchange crypto, buy and sell crypto. They show you how to do it with their little video here. I think it's like 2 minutes. All right. So that's one of the things that they offer. That's a service that they offer. All right. Now, I got started with them because I've used that, but I got started because of this. They have these investment plans on how you can earn crypto rewards. Crypto in, crypto out. All right. So for them, their withdrawal, the coin that they use of choice to withdraw is USDT BEP20. So I saw these plans. You can earn up to 151% APY by investing as low as $10. Stable profits regardless of volatility in the market. So if you think about a USDT, that's a stable coin. No KYC is required for investments, okay? And they offer also internal peer-to-peer transfer. Like if you want to transfer crypto to someone that signed up using your link, you can do that, okay? So you choose your preferred investment plan. They have the monthly plans, quarterly plans, half-a-year plans. Earn passive rewards on your cryptocurrency. So the monthly plans, they have the standard plan. It's only 3 months, $10 minimum, $1,000 maximum. 3 months, 1.25% monthly profit. All right, that's the standard plan. And they have a 6-month plan, 2.5% monthly profit, minimum $50, maximum $10,000. You get your capital back at the end of the term, by the way. The third plan is called the Ultimate Plan. This is a 1-year plan, 5% monthly profit. Minimum is $100. Maximum is $100,000. 1-year term. Okay. Then they have the daily plans. These are the ones you can get paid out weekly. Withdrawal on Thursday, you get paid on Friday. Daily plan 1.25%, 90 days. This is the plan I have. 1.25% daily profit. 10 minimum, 1,000 maximum for 90 days. All right. Then they have the 180-day plan, 0.75% daily profit, 500 minimum, 10,000 max. They have the 365-day plan is 0.55% daily, 1,000 minimum, 100,000 max. And then their new plan they've got is called the Prestige Plan. It's a 6-month plan, 0.42% daily profit. It's exclusive. You've got to get whitelisted into that plan, so you'd have to sign up, register at www.coffeecoins.info, then reach out to support so you can be whitelisted into this one. It's an exclusive. The minimum is $2,500 minimum. The max is $10,000. 6-month plan. All right, 0.42% daily. So you're able to withdraw every Thursday. All right, guys, with this, with these daily, you withdraw on Thursday and they pay out on Friday. All right, so we got started here with this. And matter of fact, our 90 days is up on the 27th, where we will get our crypto back, what we put in there, and we will get that back. Again, no KYC is required, okay? And then they have a 10% bonus on your first deposit. Pretty cool. So far, no issues, no drama. We've made a few withdrawals, and they've come exactly the way they say they would. No problems, okay? So let's take a look here. All right, we withdrawn 82.45. Of course, it's USDT BEP20. That's the only coin you can withdraw in. And you can see our deposit, and we've withdrawn, so we pretty much have got our money back, right? So this is another sustainable platform that I really, really like. They've been doing what they say they were going to do, guys. So if we go over here, if we look at, let's go to our deal here. So we've got 2306 in here. It's a $5 withdrawal. Let's see here. Yep, January 27th. Okay, we'll be able to get our return back. And over here you can see plans. We've got one active plan, so you can have several of these. These are the plans I just went over with you, right? Very, very, very cool. I don't think I'm gonna withdraw yet again. Let's see here. Watch this. So I can literally go here, click withdraw. I'm gonna wait till the end, I believe. See, you gotta withdraw in USDT BEP20. Okay? That's how it has to be done. Alright? So today is the day to do that. Okay, but I'm going to hang on a second here. I'm gonna wait until the end here. All right, so let's see what we got in the Telegram group here. Yeah, see, there's a $5 fee on all withdrawals. Okay, $5 or 5% per request, whichever is higher. Multiple requests might significantly reduce your earnings. So all withdrawal requests received beyond the cutoff. So you want to make sure you get it in time this evening before midnight if you want it for tomorrow. Okay. In case you're facing any technical issues with placing your withdrawal request, please try to clear your browser cache and try again. Otherwise, you're kindly requested to reach out to support on Telegram or email. All right, guys. So, and they also recommend that you try to just do one withdrawal, because each withdrawal you do, they're going to charge you this $5 or 5%, whichever is higher. All right. So BrunoEx, really like what they got going on. So we're just gonna wait until we get to the end here, the 27th, and then we will reevaluate everything. But so far so good. If all remains well and we get our initial crypto back, we'll probably just go in there and do it all over again. All right, so another great platform to check out. This is not a hype, but it seems to be sustainable. Been around since October 2022. All right, so definitely go check out BrunoEx. If you need services, we'll see. You're going to need to see what's in your area. I think they have that here where they, once you go there, it's going to tell you if it's in your area. I thought it was on here somewhere. It mentions, they mentioned it has to be, here we go. Certain geographical locations may be restricted. So you can go and check it out. Just go to the link in the description, www.coffeeandcoins.info. See if the services are available. Okay, that's geographical. But if you want to actually acquire one of the plans, anybody can do those. Okay. All right, guys. So definitely go check out BrunoEx. The link is in the description. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me. And click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.